Welcome to our group E-Waste Avengers. Electronics have become an integral part of our life, without which we can't imagine surviving even a day. Yes, nowadays our eyes are glued to the screens every time for our everyday work. But as soon as they get outdated, they are no more our companions. So, what do we do with them? We just remove them from our life. We just throw it off, replacing with the new ones. Till now, which we used to be our companions, have today become the source of pollution and global warming. So, when our electronic equipment became useless to us, they became e-waste to our environment. Simply, so let's together take an oath that we shall not dispose e-waste irresponsibly. We will work towards its scientific disposal as much as possible, saying that the e-waste can be reduced, reused, and recycled. Now I would like to call my group member Dinesh to explain you a sustainable model made by e-waste.
Hi, I'm going to explain how you can reuse an old charger and a pencil and turn it into a iron solder. Firstly, use a sharpen and carve out the lead of the pencil to about 3 centimeters. Then you must take 2 copper wires and wind them around each end of the lead. Then you can take an old or broken charger which you are about to dispose as a e-waste and cut it in and connect it with the copper wires in the pencil. And now you have successfully reused your e-waste and made an iron solder out of it. And finally, we would like to end this video by playing our Prime Minister's speech on e-waste awareness. Thank you.
कभी कभार इन दिनों हमारे यहाँ पहले अच्छी पेन रखना वो स्टेटस था, अच्छी घड़ी रखना स्टेटस था, अब अच्छा फ़ोन रखना स्टेटस हो गया है। ई वेस्ट इसके विषय में अवेयरनेस नहीं है। देखिए हमारे देश में एनवायरनमेंट की समस्याएं इसलिए आई कि जिसको जिस ठीक लगा कारखाना लगा दिया। दे वर नॉट कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट। हमने ई वेस्ट के संबंध में एक मिशन उठाना चाहिए, ऑनलाइन चलाना चाहिए, अवेयरनेस कैंपेन करना चाहिए, ई वेस्ट के सॉल्यूशन खोजने चाहिए। सरकार के साथ मिलकर के कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया जा सकता है ई वेस्ट के सॉल्यूशन, वरना हम पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच